If you want to design a professional PNG in Canva, this tutorial is for you. Open the Canva app, select custom size, select width and height in pixel 4500 by 4500. A blank page is open, then go to the text and select heading what you want. I select the second. Here I'm using the word chosen. If you are not sure which word to use, you can ask ChatGPT for ideas based on your theme. Now select the font. I select this and then go to the line spacing. Check letter spacing. Now adjust the size to 100. Keep the all size maintained. Now rotate it to 90 angle. Position the design along the center of the page. I will simply duplicate these words to complete my design like this. Select all the words and set positions along the center of the page. Now it's look better. Now let's replace the duplicate words with the new ones. If you need ideas, you can use ChatGPT or look at your competitor. Select the alignment. Repeat the same process for remaining words. After arranging the words, open the Canva elements and search for flowers. Canva will show you different floral designs. Simply pick flowers that fits your style. Let me show you another method. If you are having trouble finding the floral elements in Canva, you can also use Pinterest. Search for different flower designs and download that you like. Search for morning glory flowers. There are different types of flowers which makes your design elegant. It's look perfect. And download image and go to another. Select another floral elements. It's look good. Download it. Use copyright free images from Pinterest. Avoid downloading images elements that belong to a website, brand or company. You can use only elements which are uploaded by single individual creator. You can use same method to finding other remaining elements. Ask ChatGPT to suggest different flowers categories and download 5 to 6 floral elements that match your design. After download images, go to Canva Uploads, select your files you downloaded and upload to your design. Delete previous floral elements. Now place them one by one with new elements you downloaded from Pinterest. Remove its background. Make sure adjust the size slightly and reduce the empty spaces. This step is very important. It makes editing much easier. Make sure adjust the size slightly and reduce the empty spaces. Now it's look better. Repeat the same process for remaining floral elements. Position them, remove background, resize and arrange. Now our design looks professional. Copy the font, rotate 0 angle and type she is. Adjust the size. It's look better. Yes, like this. Then duplicate the she's font and write here mom or any other word you prefer. You can also change font for this text. Make sure only use free elements. Avoid using paid fonts. It is very important. One more important thing you must do, always download in transparent background. This is only for PNGs because any PNG design should always be downloaded with a transparent background. Now our design is ready.